What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Whoo, you guys, it is a hot one, over 90 and humid here in Minnesota. Yes, you guys, we are gonna go into nice, cold, refrigerated Dolly. This is actually a Dollar Tree Plus now. Look, you guys, the weekly wow is assorted backpacks for $1.25. We can go ahead and take a look at those. This store, this actual location actually has self-checkout now. So take a look at that too, you guys. We have some self-checkout. I don't see any of the backpacks here, but we do have some books this week. Twin Peaks is here. Startup, Codex 1962, Time of Our Lives. Most of these books, you guys, are from either Target or Walmart. The Cruel Stars. We also have the Chicago Cubs. Here we go, you guys. The weekly wow is actually hung up over here, and I think it looks really nice hung up over here for $1.25. We have the really super lightweight backpacks in black, in lilac, in pink. We also have some shoppers here and even more over there. Looks like they're getting a lot of the back to school items up, including new stickers. Super pretty stickers this week. We have birthday stickers. Ooh, these ones are so cute. Look at them. Really, really cute. We also have the poster letter stickers, and we have some sticker books, but this big cart is in the way and I really don't want to move it. We have these little cute pen holders. Look at these. These are brand new this week. We have Adorable, and they're sort of the cute rubberized texture. We have Dreamer. We also have, what is this one? Fabulous. I really like these. And then we also have Awesome. Those are some really cute notebooks, you guys. We have even more cute notebooks that I shared a couple of videos back over here. We have the composition books. We have even more composition books here. Mini writing tablets. We have the cute classroom decor. Our class is cool. Love that one. They're all like super, super cute. Scooping up knowledge. I love the sun. You rock. The color scents are back. These come back every year. We have a few different colors of the color scents. The mechanical pencils, the Hello Kitty pencils, to all the Hello Kitty lovers out there. What else? Magnetic bookmarks. More up there, but I'm short, so all I can do is just like reach up there and show you guys. Even more notebooks, pencil sharpeners. Oh, look, you guys, we have USB plug covers. If your kids are super rough on their cords, these really help extend the life of your cord, of their cords. We have brand new cell phone cases, fits 7, 8, and SE. We have lots of varieties. This one fits 7 Plus and 8 Plus. This one is clear, fits 7 Plus and 8 Plus. This one fits XR. So we have a lot of phone cases that actually cover a range of phones. iPhone 12, iPhone 11. I don't know if they have any for 13. iPhone 12. I think these are up through iPhone 12. And then we have these brand new phone loops. Super cute. Kind of 90s. This is what they look like with the little loop. We have a bunch of water bottles over here, all BPA free. And then we still have some graduation items here, just a little bit of graduation items. Just a little bit. And summer items. because I mean, it still is summer, right? Even though we have back to school items out, luckily we still have some summer items in our stores. Bubbles and chalk, all the kids' toys, the outdoor toys. I just wanted to see if they've added anything. The Frisbees, the goggles, more of the phone loops. Cool noodle chairs. This is such a great idea. This says $1 each, not $1.25. I think the pool noodle chairs are a great idea. The cute little $5 beach towels. Yes, you guys, in the very next video, I'm about to take you down the Dollar Tree Plus aisles and we're gonna see if there's anything new. Let's take a quick peek over here. Look at these little cute shaker stickers. So we have the huge back to school section in the front of the store, but then we also have this aisle here with additional back to school supplies. Pens, erasers, little card holders for your job. Maybe you're a teacher. All the glue sticks, the super jumbo glue sticks are here. These cute little monster erasers, packs of 40. I love these things. Little eraser toppers. These little kids' scissors have lift assist. It says perfect for little hands. Yeah, you guys, we have staplers, the little red stapler. Ooh, all the zebra pens. Tons of zebra pens. The elephant is cute. And look, you guys, behind me, we have even more. We have even more things like sketchbooks. We have journals. We have little notebooks, little notepads. I mean, the back to school stuff is pretty much everywhere. These are good pens. More stickers, erasable highlighters, all of the poster board. Ooh, what are these? Poster letters, 52 in a pack, 78 in a pack. I think these are new. Well, you guys, join me in my very next video because we're gonna take a look down the Dollar Tree Plus aisles. We're gonna see what might be new. You guys have been telling me that in some of your locations, you've actually been finding Halloween items. So I wanna take a look and see if my location has any of those Halloween items. It's just fun to look every week to see what might be new. But you guys definitely run into Dollar Tree, go to the various sections where they have back to school items and stationery, because we have some really, really cute notebooks and journals and planners and things like that that you guys definitely don't want to miss. But all right, you guys, join me in the next one. We are about to go down the Dollar Tree Plus aisles. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.